What if AI could recognize a customer's photo, recommend the right product, and even handle checkout automatically? Let me show you how.
First, update your AI instructions so it understands how to assist your customers. Next, scroll down to the knowledge source section and upload all the resources your AI needs, including your product catalog, and any other supporting documents. Once everything has been uploaded, don't forget to enable each knowledge source by turning on the toggle and save. Once everything is configured, simply save your AI agent. When a customer asks, the AI instantly searches the knowledge source and sends the product catalog without any manual assistance. Once the customer is ready to purchase, the AI creates the order automatically, then sends the invoice, payment options, the AI confirms the payment and updates the order status automatically. Customers can also upload product images. The AI analyzes the photo, identifies what's in the image, searches the knowledge source, and recommends the closest matching product automatically. The AI confirms the payment and updates the order status automatically.
With Aelyst, your AI can analyze images, recommend products, share media, and automate the entire customer journey all in one application.